So this is the property, and it's the front garden, which is actually really nice, but no way to turn this into off-road parking. Parking's along here. It's quite a congested street. It's a lovely street actually. Neighbours seem really nice. People really look after the properties here. This will not be a HMO, absolutely not. Just to make it clear, some work need doing along there. There's a for sale sign which is down, which to me implies that somebody tried to buy it and it fell through. Okay, so let's walk through. New electrics needed. So I think this needs a full rewire. And gas central heating needs to be fitted as well. Pretty sure this needs to be a back to brick, which should be straightforward. So the challenge might be the EPC for this one, and it's got a downstairs bathroom. Obviously this is going to have to be, it's a shame actually, this looks quite nice, but it's pretty sure this has to be ripped out. So this is the state. Oh, the boiler, the tank used to be here, so this can be cleared away. A bathtub would need to be put back in it, but hopefully these can be kept. The tiles can be kept. Yeah, the kitchen isn't that big, but there is but 2 reception rooms, outside garden, water level. Garden looks lovely, neighbours look lovely. It's a really nice area. Okay, bed. That's single glazing, that needs to be changed to a double glazing. We just need to check on the EPC on this one. Yes. So it looks like the previous buyers bought it. There's asbestos in the bathroom and also potentially up here as well. Maybe along here. Ceiling needs to be looked at. This is really old. As you can see, yeah, big old project. Some cracks here, which, yeah, it's boring. So a survey would definitely need to be done along here. Yeah, it's got new double glazing windows. That's good. All this would need to go replastered, repainted. Potential asbestos up there. Second bedroom, so that's a good size bedroom. Second bedroom again, all that needs to be looked at. Ceiling as well. Definitely. Pretty sure it's about to brick, and that's for the roof. The loft is almost certainly not insulated, so it needs to be insulated as well. Again, more of that stuff up there. Wallpaper needs to be removed as well and replastered, but it's got new windows, so that's a plus. I think EPC will be a challenge, but it is a lovely street. The neighbours said they think 3 beds on the street is worth about 280, 300, so let's say 280. Yeah, potential. The yield might be a tough one. Anyway, I'm Nguyen from Sentinel Lettings. We're to manage high quality HMOs and singles in and around Birmingham. We also find distressed properties like this, renovate them to a good standard, and rent them out to a really nice family. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow more. See you.